If you've ever stood in front of a shelf counting the same items over and over again, this video is for you. We'll be using ChatGPT to show you how to use one photo to quickly sense check stock without replacing a proper count. Step 1 is uploading your image. Start a new chat in ChatGPT and start by uploading a clear photo of the shelf or display that you want to check. This works best when items are visible and arranged in clear rows. Step 2 is pasting your prompt. This will pop up on your screen right now, and this prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what to count, and just as importantly, what not to guess. Now that our prompt and our image is ready, go ahead and hit send. Looking at our output here, what you'll see is a clear count plus a confidence level. That's really important here. It tells you whether this is a solid estimate or something that you should double check yourself. As you might have guessed, this isn't replacing a normal formal stock take per se. It's a fast check and a second pair of eyes so you can spot the obvious issues quickly. When used properly and efficiently, this saves time during busy periods, reduces repeat counting, and helps you catch the problems early without adding any risk. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.